In this video, we'll be looking at how I draw creatures from imagination by creating a classic D&D creature, the Bullywug, in pen and ink. I created a rough lay-in of this drawing off camera with loose pencils indicating the creature's gesture, proportions, costume, and weapon. The D&D Monster Manual describes bullywugs as frog-headed amphibious humanoids that live in rainy forests and damp marshes. They have a clan-like tribal structure with a king or queen, and think of themselves as the proper rulers of the swamps, and they love to lord this over intruders that might wander into their domain unknowingly. They wear crude armor, wield simple weapons, and seek to find objects or things of perceived value in order to impress their lord and elevate their status within their tribe. On its own, a bullywug is quite a low-level creature. However, they can quickly overwhelm opponents by their sheer numbers, though they will still flee from any serious threat. My line work needs to do a few things here. First, it needs to clearly define the basic shapes of the creature. It also needs to illustrate form. I do this by using cross-contour lines wherever possible, such as the belt and leggings. Including overlapping lines where the limbs bend will help the perspective of the creature read. I add some hatching lines to help create areas of shadow, though I also use the marker as it helps the skin look wet. I indicate some spots to create texture or discoloration with both pen and marker. I also use some whiteout for some quick corrections and some highlights. Lastly, I add ground shadow and grasses that help create a sense of place. I finish up with some quick filters to add motion and color using the CapCut app on my phone. If you enjoyed this and would like to see the rest of the series, please be sure to like and follow me here or on Instagram. Thanks for watching.